Find the maximum or minimum value of function 3x to the power 4 minus 10x cube plus 6x square plus 5. Put y equal fx. We are going to find the maximum or minimum value of fx by using second derivative test. Then method of second derivative test, we simply find dy by dx 12x cube minus 30x square plus 12x. Again d2y by dx square, second derivative test, means 12 is 36, 12. Now put dy by dx equals 0 for critical point. That is 12x cube minus 30x square plus 12x equals 0. We have x, 6x common, x square minus 5x, 2x square minus 5x plus 2. Then x into 2x square minus 5x minus 2 is equal 2x square minus 4x minus x plus 2 equals 0. X equal x into x minus 2, 2x minus 1. The value of x is 0, 2, 1 by 2, which are stationary or critical point. And we have to find the local maximum or local minimum value at these points. Then we know that in second derivative test we check d2y by dx square at these different points. If d2y by dx square is positive, then it is point of local minima, and if d2y by dx square is negative at any point, then it is point of local maxima. Then d2y by dx square at point x equals 0. We have 36 into 0 minus 16 into 0 plus 12, 12 means d2y by dx square at x equals 0 is greater than 0. Then x equals 0 is a point of minimum value. Point of local minimum value. Now if we want to find the local minimum value, at x equals 0 is, we simply put the value of x at which the function has local minimum value in the function. Means we put x equals 0 in this function, we get 3 into 0 minus 10 into 0 plus 6 into 0 plus 5, then local minimum value is 5. Now check another point. d2y by dx square at x equal to, we have 36 into 2 square minus 60 into 2 plus 12. Put the value of x equal to in d2y by dx square and check it is positive or negative. Then we have 144 minus 120 plus 12 and it is 36. Then d2y by dx square is positive at x equal to then x equal to is the point of local minima and for x equal to local minimum value is we simply put x equal to in the given function, means 2 into 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 4 minus 10 into 2 cube plus 6 into 2 square plus 5. We have 48 minus 80 plus 24 plus 5, then it is equal 77 minus 80 and it is minus 3. Minus 3 is local minimum value at x equal to d2y by dx square at x equal 1 by 2. We have 36 into 1 by 2 square means 1 by 4 minus 60 into 1 by 2 plus 12. We have 9 minus 30 plus 12. Okay, and 12 9 total minus 9. It means d2y by dx square at x equal 1 by 2 is less than 0, then x equal 1 by 2 is a point of local maximum value. Is a point of local maximum value, and if we want to find the value local maximum value at x equal 1 by 2, we simply put x equal 1 by 2 in the given function. Given function is 3x to the power 4 minus 10x cube plus 6x square plus 5 Then 3x to the power 1 by 4 means 1 by 2 to the power 1 by 4, minus 10x cube means 1 by 2 cube, plus 6x square means 6 into 1 by 2 square, plus 5. We have 3 by 16 minus 10 by 8 plus 6 by 4 plus 5. Now take LCM. We have 16, then it is 3 minus 8 to the 20, 6, 4 4 the and 80. Then we have 4 3 7 87 by 16, and it is maximum value at x equal 1 by 2.